Alright guys, this is number 2, proof number 2 on the same white worksheet as the previous video. In this particular case, you're given that AB equals DE and that C is the midpoint of DE. In class I always say, look at your given and then brainstorm any notes and anything you know based off of your given. In this case, since C is the midpoint of BD, you should automatically conclude that BC is equal to CD. So after you write down step 1 as your given, then the very next thing you want to write is that BC equals CD. Yep, ran out of lead. And the reason for that would be definition of a midpoint. Alright, so now look at your proof. You need to incorporate AC and CE into this proof somehow. When you look at it, AC is formed by 2 segments, and those 2 segments are AB and BC. So you can do segment addition postulate here and make it AB plus BC equals AC, and then CD plus DE equals CE. So that would be step 3. Alright, now the goal is to get AC to equal CE. So I'm going to underline them in step 3. And the only way you can set those equal to each other is if AB plus BC equals CD plus DE first. And because they don't, you have to try and make them equal each other. Now if you look at step 1 and 2, step 1 says that AB equals DE. They're both in here. And then you have BC equaling CD. So you could add AB and BC and set it equal to DE plus CD. So that's going to be step 4. And it would be the addition property of equality. Now a lot of people like to skip step 3 and go right to step 4. You can't do that. Alright? So you have to remember that you have to put these in. You can alternate and do step 4 before step 3, but you still need step 3 in the proof somewhere. Alright, so lastly, you can now substitute AC in here and CE in here, since now these two are equal to each other. So by substitution, you can say that AC equals CE. And that's number 2.